The following portion of Studio 512 is sponsored by Austin Skyline Cleaning Services. Hey, are you looking for a spotless home without the hassle? Austin Skyline Cleaning Services can offer everything from deep house cleaning to move-in fresh-ups thanks to friendly and talented staff. Owner Alex Saldana is here to tell us more. And Alex, my first question is to ask you what separates Austin Skyline Cleaning Services from other cleaning companies here in Austin?
So here at Austin Skyline Cleaning, we offer, world-class cleanings paired with unbeatable service, and all of our cleaners speak English. That way you can communicate with them in your home. We offer a satisfaction guarantee. We want to make absolutely sure that you're happy with the service, before we've left your home. I build a relationship with every single customer, and vice versa. We're all kind of a happy family, do favors for each other. We know that your goal is just to have your house completely clean.
You handpick every single person that you hire. So it's you and the cleaners, and that means that you are pretty thorough at finding your staff.
Yeah, we talk every day. I interview probably 100 people a week. I handpick only the best. It's very easy to find, mediocre cleaners. It's very difficult to find very good cleaners, and all of them background checked, insured, ready to go with your home.
And then talk to me about what the goal is that you want customers to feel when they get a cleaning from your services.
Yeah, so customers aren't necessarily looking for cleaning. They are looking for peace of mind, being able to spend more time with their kids, stress-free moving experience, getting their security deposit back. I mean, the cleaning is amazing, but usually people are looking for like an outcome. I want everybody to walk away. I'd like every customer to be a new 5-star review for us. I tip all the cleaners extra bonuses anytime they get 5-star reviews. They like making the customers happy. I like making the customers happy. And our goal is, your complete satisfaction. For any reason that you're unhappy with the cleaning, we come back, within 7 days, free of charge to re-clean. All you need to do is send us some photos of, any items missed in 24 hours.
How can we trust the cleaners that you pick specifically for Austin Skyline Cleaning?
Well, aside from me doing a lot of due diligence and, making sure that they're friendly, they speak English, you'd be happy to have them in your home. They're all fully background checked, fully insured, and, you'd be happy. Most of them are like family friends at this point.
You say your customers even say, oh my gosh, I got you breakfast tacos or coffee, something like that.
Yeah, we've had customers buy everybody tacos, coffee, invite them in.
That's wonderful.
They're good with the dogs.
They're good with pets, that's good to know.
Yeah.
Kind of feel like part of the family by the end of the day.
Indeed.
Okay, sounds good to me, Alex. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
To find the right type of cleaning for your needs and get a quote, visit austinskylinecleaning.com. The preceding portion of Studio 512 was sponsored by Austin Skyline Cleaning Services.